Hey everyone, Hash here from Hashtag and welcome back to my new video about Xiaomi Mi 10 series. According to a new rumor, the phone will have a 6GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. Has became the first smartphone with 6GB of RAM option. Nowadays we only see 12GB RAM, but this rumor is not confirmed yet. Earlier Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro confirmed to add 66-watt fast charging support. This was confirmed in a new MI 11 code. Also, it includes a 5215 mAh battery capacity. Also tipped to come with a quad rear camera with 108MP primary sensor, a 12 megapixel wide angle, a 12 megapixel telephoto lens, and a macro or ToF sensor for better portrait. As we all know, Mi 10 series design is based on the Mi Mix Alpha. Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro comes with a powerful Snapdragon 865 with a 5G support, which will be paired with a Adreno 650 GPU. Interestingly, Samsung also is going to launch Galaxy S20 series with a Snapdragon 865 on February 12th, so there may be a competition between these two brands. Another interesting is the Mi 10 series will be priced at $600, which will support dual mode 5G. The smartphone comes with a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED screen with a dual punch-hole camera sitting at top right side, much like the Redmi K30 smartphone that launched December 2019. Unlike the Redmi K30, the Xiaomi Mi 10 is said to feature an under-display fingerprint scanner, but it comes with the optical sensor and also includes a 120Hz display. That's all for today guys, so let me know your thoughts about the Xiaomi Mi 10 in the comment box. I will see you all tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more updates about the Xiaomi device. And also don't forget to hit that notifying bell icon. Thank you for watching it. Haskushabz from Hashtag.